lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Monday and the boys are on break, so if you hear any commotion in the background, just know that the boys
break for a week. Yay!
They are excited, but we are also excited. Coincidentally, well, not even coincidentally, because I planned it. Daniel, so good morning.
Good morning.
Someone is excited to be at home today. Alright, so I had the week off, so it's myself and the boys this week. Pray for me. Anyway, we're about to eat, and the silly thing that I forgot is milk. Egg roll up. Yes, that's what we're having this morning
with ketchup.
Okay, let's cook. So I have my eggs here, 4 eggs. I'm just going to season it lightly.
You know, to be honest, it's not just the boys who are excited to be at home this week. This whole week, I'm so happy, and I planned it so well because I wanted to be at home with these boys. We had fun. You know, it's just past 9 and we have done a lot. Don't get me wrong, I love working. I love being able to make money. I mean, it's one of the things that I've always wanted to do for so long, and now that it's happening, I'm happy about it. On the other hand, I miss being at home. I miss being in the house, like not having to interface with people all the time. I miss it, and that's why this week I'm so intentional about what I do with the boys. I have lined up activities for us to do. I mean, this whole week that the boys were at home, we had a lot of fun. Anyway, our eggs are done. We'll just more about that later. I'm just going to serve up their breakfast. They're having blueberries, and I'm also putting their gummies in the plate as well. They're having hot chocolate, and then they're just going to have their seat and have their breakfast while I continue sorting out the rest of the house. I mean, early this morning I woke up and I was folding clothes. I started the night before. I even got carried away and made a reel for Instagram. I don't know if you've seen that reel already. I'll put a shot of it on the side. In the morning, I already unboxed my haul from Shein. I got some amazing things, some jars for food items. I got some of these laundry bins, some spice jars, and some rattan baskets, and a chopping board. You saw me cut up the egg roll-ups just now on the chopping board. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort out all of the clothes. I put the boys' clothes away first because that's the bulk of what I wash every single time, and then I'm just going to sort out the rest of my clothes and my husband's clothes. Yeah, I told you guys there's a way I fold my clothes, and it helps me get or see everything all at the same time, and that system has still been working. I've also started to do that for the boys as well, so that they're able to see their things, but you guys, it's still not making any much difference. So I have decided to start selling some of my items on Vinted. I will share more details about that, or I will leave details in the description box. I will update you on that later. So this is the last and final thing from the Shein haul. It's this olive tree, and I absolutely love it. It's such a great addition to my space. I've wanted a tall artificial plant for a while, and I'm so glad I got this.
So I just had my bath. Well, I gave the boys a bath first, and then I had my own. But then you guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? In fact, I don't only Lagos Mama finish. In fact, this is so Asa is led by the spirit. She sent me these 2 products. This is from her brand, a hair brand. If you guys did not know that Asa Bicho started the business, she has very good reviews. So she's even the one messaging me, say, see your eye. Asa, you are in the spirit. See, Zibery Organics. That's the name of her brand. And you guys can see all the rishi inside. I can see rosemary in there. And you guys, I've already started. This is like my 4th time using this. I've been applying it religiously. When she sent this to me, she sent a card that says to use 3 to 5 times in a week. As me, I'm abusing your products because I must see results. See my area where edge is supposed to be. I don't know. So I've been using the 2 of them. This is the hair growth butter, and then this one is the mega growth oil. That's what it looks like. My dear, focus. There we go. And this is the hair butter. Right, this is how this one looks like inside. I've been applying both of them religiously. Like you can see that it's in use. It's not that religiously, because I must see results. I saw it also on Defab Mommy's channel, where she says she's been using this product for her girls, and she actually belongs to a WhatsApp community where some people were already giving reviews about this brand. So if you have chop edges like my own, C road, nothing else you need. This is my second week of using this. There were a couple of days that I forgot to use it on my edges. Like and I'm also going to braid my hair soon. All this throwaway hair, half relaxed, half virgin hair, is about to be a thing of the past. I'm just also going to massage that in. I got this micro needle thing a while ago, and it has been sitting in this box. And what I hear is you need this. I used it for a while. There's some strands of hair on it. I don't know if you can see. So I've used it for a while, but then I stopped. I think I got impatient. Honestly, that was the word. But I know that I need help. Like this, my hairline needs help, man. So I'm supposed to do this for I think about 2 minutes. And what it's supposed to do is just to stimulate hair growth. I think I'm just giving up on the hair because at this point, I don't know. Like when I finish this set, I'm gonna see where the road is leading. Because if people are using this and they are getting results, my case cannot be different. I must see results. So I've gone to revive this micro needle now. I'm going to give this a go. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see where we lead. I'm sure you guys will tag along, especially those who also have this. I think it's called alopecia or something. Some people say it's because of some hairstyles that they've been doing. Mine is not traction because I don't even do anything to my hair. All I do is wear wigs. That's all I do. And that's probably a cause as well. Can you see house? Like the back of my hair. The back of my hair is confused. It doesn't know whether it is relaxed or it is virgin. Ever since my big chop, I've only relaxed the hair once. But honestly, this is just sad. This is sad. I'm more than 40. So what's this problem? It's almost 2:30 and I've not eaten today. That's it. Shokila Belge. As I need your hair cream go work for face as well, Abi. You go work. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Let me go find something to eat.
So still in line with my weight loss journey, I'm having chicken and cucumbers. I've just put some hot ketchup on that so it's a little more palatable, and some soya powder. Alright, so I've gone ahead to make noodles for the boys for their lunch, and for dinner they didn't want anything heavy, they just wanted cookies. Well, actually I gave them two options to either make cookies or banana bread, and they chose cookies. So they helped me mix up all of these ingredients, the wet and the dry ingredients, and then I decided to continue filming because I forgot because we're having that much fun. Anyway, the cookie is all mixed up, wet is added to dry, and I'm just portioning it out onto this baking tray. You guys, as per our discussion before, I honestly do not take it for granted because it is a privilege to work and earn, but I miss being at home. I miss being a homebody. Anyway, the cookies are all rolled up. We had chocolate chips in there, but it was not enough because just as I was about to put it in the oven, I remember that I bought these marshmallows especially for baking. So I put that in there and I rolled it up in the center, and then we just roll that back into balls, and then all together we had 18 cookies, and yes, that was ready to go in the oven. So when that was cooking, it was supposed to be movie night because I had planned that the boys would catch up on some of the items on their to-do list for this holiday. So this was one of the movies that was recommended for them from school. It's called The Secret Life of Pets. The Secret Life of Pets. So all the while we were watching this, I was checking on the cookies just to make sure they don't burn. So I love to see cookies bake. This is one of the things I love to do with my mom when I was growing up as well. I love to watch the cookies bake. And yes, Daniel is giving you guys a hug. This movie was interesting. It's kind of informative as well. I don't know if it's based on real events, but yeah, At some point, I flipped the cookies. The top tray went to the bottom tray and the bottom tray came to the top tray. But anyway, the cookies are done. I'm just going to bring them out and let them cool on a wire rack. You guys, when I tell you that these cookies were perfection, I mean, look at how perfect they were. They didn't burn or anything. So yeah, I will make this into a recipe so you guys can get to see how cook it yourself. Besides, I got this recipe from AI. AI gave me this recipe for these cookies. Anyway, like I told you guys in the morning or at the start of the vlog that I don't have milk, or I didn't want to go to the store. I didn't want to go out because I knew I would spend money that I did not want to spend. All I had was condensed milk, and this was from my Dagusa box from our October box. Yeah, so I just added some cold water to that to make it ready to drink. And then the boys put some cookies in their tray, and then we're just going to go and sit down and continue watching our movie. Well, at this point I was done watching cartoons, so I set them up to get to watch their cartoon. And it was at this point that we realized that the marshmallows had melted into the cookie, but it made it all the more gooey, and it was nice. I just took two, and then I went to my own corner. This is where I like to, watch my own programs because I feel like they're not age appropriate for the boys. So I watch my own because I'm watching a Medi drama series, and this is called The Resident. You guys, I did not finish watching the series because the main character lost his wife and started getting close to his wife's best friend, which was very cringe for me. So I watched that for a while, and then it was time for the boys to go to bed, and then I went ahead to continue my own chores for the day. So I had a batch of whites to wash. I also had to do the dishes as well. So I'm using some of my products from my shein haul and some items I also got from Small. Small is a cleaning company that deal with planet friendly or environmental friendly products, and they sent me a bunch of their products like the starter pack, and I tell you guys that this are really good products. All that is in this bottle is citric acid and some coloring, and that's it. Look at how shiny my surfaces are. I will show you the full review of what the kitchen looks like. I did not have to do too much. This got all the stain out. I like to leave my kitchen like this because it means that the next morning I get a fresh start and I don't have too much piled up from the day before. So the kitchen is all done. I'll just move along to the living room. You guys know that this kitchen is my happy spot because I spend a lot of time here, and that's because I genuinely enjoy cooking. Asha vacuumed this place for me before he went to bed, and yeah, I'm just going to go down, give it a quick wipe down, especially the tray the boys used for their cookies, the TV remote where they might have touched with oily hands or whatever from the day. You see this clothing rack, I'm going to throw it away, -1 today. I hate the fact that it has to live in the same house with us like a pet. I just hate it. It destroys my efforts to make my house look aesthetically pleasing. Oh, by the way, guys, we have replaced our dining table. When you see my husband, please thank him for me. He found this table and I have been in love with it because it ties with my color theme for the house, and I just love it. I love how they look. These chair covers are from the whole setup. So yeah, the sitting room is all done as well. That is all sorted. I'm just going to get comfortable, change to my nightwear, and then continue my work for the day. I have some emails to respond to. I also have research to continue with. You guys, this has been a productive day. I absolutely love taking you guys along. I didn't film every single thing because I told you I had activities planned for the boys, but I absolutely love days like this. I just missed my husband because he was away on a work trip. There's nothing on my to-do list that I did not do for this particular day. Absolutely love it. That is our time here on the channel today. Thank you so much for tuning in again this Sunday. Stay tuned for the next couple of vlogs. Remember, Vlogmas is coming.